Hi everyone, welcome to the craft that goes with our cozy story time. Inside of your packet, you should have gotten an envelope like this with a craft inside. It will be one of these three things. So Miss Erin and I are going to quickly go through and show you how to put two of them together. We're going to do Santa and the reindeer because they're a little more complicated than the snowman. So I'm going to move the camera down so you can see what we're doing. To start, you'll need that envelope and everything that's inside of it. Your little picture card and a glue stick.
Glue stick or whatever type of glue you have at home that you're allowed to use.
Yep. So we're just going to move the camera down so you can see the table.
So I'm gonna pick up my big piece first. So I have the Santa and Miss Liz has the reindeer.
Yep.
And
the hole in the center is to put a picture. Miss Erin and I don't have pictures, but there will be a piece of paper, cardboard.
There's a piece of cardboard that you can glue on the back once you get your picture in.
So you just cut your picture to the size of this.
So I'm gonna do their face. So for mine, I have a big round face and Miss Liz has a big face, and these ones actually have peel on the back. So if you need help, get a parent to help you peel that off. So I am going to stick my face right there in the middle.
And my sticky is not sticky. Stickiness on mine, so I'm going to use my glue stick, which is fine.
So we'll see Miss Liz put her little face on. Okay. So we have her little face on. Okay, and then for mine, I have a beard that I'm going to attach.
I have to reattach that because I hadn't lined up the hole underneath.
I think Miss Liz has a mouth, so I have a beard to put on the bottom of mine, and Miss Liz has a mouth for hers.
And that's just going to go down where the reindeer snout is. And I just accidentally put mine. I would have had a sad reindeer.
Aww.
So we're going to flip that upside down and make a happy face. See if the stickum.
So mine had sticky again.
Mine did not. That's all good.
That's why we have that glue stick.
He's still happy.
Okay. And what else do I have? Miss Liz is going to do her hooves, looks like. I'm going to do the bottom of my Santa's coat.
There's his nose. So basically we're just taking the little pieces. So you could have the grown-up that's with you help you figure out what pieces go with your picture to put it together.
And then I have mittens. I'm going to put some mittens on mine. I'm going to make sure that the mittens are going the right way. And this craft will take different time for everyone to finish. Some of you might get it done fast, and some of you might take a little bit longer.
That's just fine. That's why we did it at the end.
Okay. Miss Liz.
And the only thing I have left are my antlers.
I think Santa was the one that had some more steps. I guess.
He does.
He has a little bit more. And it's kind of nice. I put this on wrong, but it peels up pretty good. I can stick it back down.
I didn't see. These little pink things in the reindeer kit are the insides of the ears.
Santa has some boots.
Da-da-da. Remember, the little sheet in this Erin packed in your packet shows you what they should look like. But if you choose to make yours look a little different, that is more than fine because it's your ornament. Or you could make it for somebody else, right?
Yeah. Okay. Grandma, Grandpa. Here's our end crafts. So we figured Santa had some extra pieces to him. Like I didn't know where this went. And what else? And for some reason in my baggie, I had another round circle. So
But you could put that on there if you want.
yeah, if you guys find a good spot for it to go on your Santa, that's fine. But there's my Santa, and yeah, I had to glue on his eyes, but everything else was sticky.
And you can make yours look however you want. If you want to try to find homes for all those pieces, you could.
Yep. And then also, I forgot to mention, you might have string in yours, or this one had a hook in it. So either way, it just goes through your hole on your craft.
You see the little hole at the top?
And then you can hang it up on your Christmas tree or wherever.
So with mine, if I was doing this with my kids, I would help them by putting the thread behind and then using something tiny to poke it through. So have a grown-up help you with that. Okay.
Okay,
Let us know if you have any questions.